Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on MetaMask with PayPal. First of all, open the MetaMask app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, tap on the Get Started button and then either import your MetaMask wallet or create a new one. I will start by creating a new one. So you will need to enter a new password and tap on Create Password. After that, you just need to set up the MetaMask wallet by following on screen instructions. Once the wallet is created, tap on the two arrows icon at the bottom and select Buy. Now choose your location or region and then in the payment methods, select PayPal. Choose Continue to Amount and then enter the preferred amount. After that, choose Buy with PayPal and that's it. Now you have to sign in and your transaction will be successful. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.